The common idea behind these mini challenges is this: being active is worthwhile in any dose. TV challenge. Before watching TV, exercise or move for 20 seconds. Jumping jacks, push-ups, jogging in place, dancing like a jester, etc. Need a reminder? Attach one to your TV or remote. You can use a small mark or sticker since you'll know what it stands for. If you think 20 seconds isn't worthwhile, I challenge you to test that theory right now. Get grooving full speed for 20 seconds and see how you feel. While 20 seconds is short, it will seem longer while you're in motion. Afterwards, your pounding heart will tell you exactly how worthless that 20 seconds was. I think 20 seconds is a good amount of time for this mini challenge because the end is already in sight before you begin, and yet it's not over immediately once you start, which creates a nice mix of low resistance to action and a satisfying payoff. Low resistance and a satisfying payoff are a powerful formula for any behavior to stick. This formula is how bad habits thrive. TV challenge bonus. For every 30 minutes of TV, get up and move for another 20 seconds. I recommend dancing to scare your family members. If you're watching TV with your family and you randomly get up and start dancing without telling them why you're doing it, you're my friend for life. TV commercial challenge. Every commercial you watch during TV, get up and move around. You don't even need to exercise per se, just get up and move around. Commercials are terrible anyway. Walk laps around the interior of your house, clean part of your house. This will keep your metabolism from plummeting during a TV session, and it's a nice way to be entertained while doing something positive for your body. When your show comes back on, you'll feel great for earning more leisure time. It's small, and yeah, it sounds silly, but please try it before you discount it. It feels great. It's not good to earn unhealthy food with healthy living, but it is very good to earn relaxation and entertainment for healthy living. Relaxation and entertainment aren't harmful. They are an essential part of healthy living and the natural reward for hard work. People often feel ashamed for watching too much TV, but that's because they do it inactively and in big chunks. If you add activity to your leisure time, you win on multiple levels because of the synergies. You'll enjoy your entertainment more because you won't be distracted by feeling lazy shame. Stairs challenge. Whenever possible, take the stairs. Take pride in skipping the elevator and escalator. I'm the only person in my apartment complex who lives on the 7th floor and takes the stairs. For different results, you must live and think differently than others. This is one opportunity to do so. Be careful not to think in all or nothing terms. If your destination is the 18th floor, you can take 3 flights of stairs and then take the elevator. Or take the elevator and jog in place as you ascend. Especially do this if there are others in the elevator with you. If there are several flights of escalators and stairs, take the stairs first and the escalator next. Nope, there are no rules here. Nobody's going to say, "Hey, she just took the stairs and then switched to the escalator. How inconsistent. That's weird." Parking spot challenge. Park in the furthest spot from the store. The walk isn't that much farther, and you won't be hunting for the best spot for 5 minutes too long like everyone else. Here's a secret: the best parking spot is the farthest from the store because it gives you the best walk, the most enjoyment of the weather, the least stress, and the most rewarding feeling. Walking biking challenge. If you can walk or bike somewhere instead of drive, go for it. I'm often surprised at how enjoyable it can be to walk places.